how to find free foreclosure lists on Propwire. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the free foreclosure list on Propwire. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Propwire, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Propwire, it is a real estate software platform designed to assist investors, agents, and brokers in finding and analyzing property investment opportunities, in which it provides free access to comprehensive property data, including both MLS listings and off-market properties such as pre-foreclosures, absentee-owned homes, and auction properties. With advanced search filters and lead stacking capabilities, users can tailor their searches to identify motivated sellers or high-potential investment opportunities. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign up button on the top right corner in here. And after signing in, you can start logging in your account, then you will be directed on this page. So as you can see, and now to proceed, all you need to do is simply start entering here the address, country, state, zip code, or APN, and finding a specific list in here on our map. And now to proceed, just simply search on the search bar. For example, I'm going to enter New York. And upon entering in New York, I'm going to enter here or select the state. And it will show us in here on the right side panel the result list. However, to look for a specific kind of pre-foreclosure, just click this lead types on the top panel. And in here, just scroll down until you find the option in here to choose, which is this pre-foreclosures. Just click on it, and it will show you the result on the right side panel once again in here. We have now 11,182 down. You could also select the property types to narrow the result into single family homes. Now as you can see, it is basically 7,480 results. You'd also navigate to enter here the price. If you're not yet satisfied with the result, to narrow it down, you simply enter the price of it or the estimated value or list price. I'm going to choose estimated value, for example, from 200,000 up to 500,000 range of the property in here. And upon entering the prices, it will show us in here the result of 2060. You'd also select the number of beds and also bathrooms, but just click these more filters. You can start adding additional filters in here, including property filters. So if you scroll down, it will show you that you could also add here the owner filters, financial filters, foreclosure filters in here, MLS filters, and many more. And in this option below, I'm just going to enter the MLS filters into this listing price in here, which is the minimum to maximum price or range. So again, for the listing price, I'm just going to enter from 200,000 to maximum amount or price of 500,000 listing in here. And upon entering all of those filters, it will show us in here the result of 42 in here listed. It also select other kind of filters once again, such as the owner filters, if you're looking for the filter or owner type to be individuals and not a large corporation or business in here. You'd also navigate to adjust the estimated equity percentage. Since if you try to save and close these filters, it will show us still these 37 results, where you can start scrolling down and start navigating to explore some of the listed properties in here on this area, and even also the result. You'd also click the sort by on the top panel to sort, for example, under equity percentage, where it will show us all of the equity percentage in here from 100%, 90%, and many more. Or you can simply adjust here under these more filters and also foreclosure filters in here. All you need to do is simply go back on our financial filters and adjust the estimated equity. For example, I'm choosing from 49% to 100%. Then click the save and close button. Then you will be able to see all of the result given the filters that we just adjust. And as you can see, we have here a total of 25 out of 25 results. So we can start adjusting or checking all of this to select and click the download button or this icon on the top right. Upon doing so, it will show us in here that we can start skip trace or download all of these details, where it will show us the owner name, the square foot, the equity percentage, the estimated value, and a specific kind of address of those real estate property. However, by choosing skip trace, you need to have an upgrade account. So at this point, I'm just going to click this download only and click yes, download to proceed. And to ask you what data would you like to download, you can select here these foreclosure details, MLS listing details, tax details, mortgage and financial details, and many more. And click download 25 properties in here to proceed. So basically, this platform Propwire facilitates this process by providing access to comprehensive property data, including pre-foreclosures listings, which helps investors to identify and analyze potential investment opportunities efficiently. So overall, that is just basically how you can find pre-foreclosure lists on Propwire. Thank you.